Cleaning a Shop Vac filter with water is effective for deep cleaning, especially if it's heavily clogged with fine dust or debris. And here is how to do it safely. So what you will need: a hose or a sink with running water, mild dish soap, that's optional, bucket, soft brush, protective gloves and mask recommended, and the drying space. So turn off and unplug the Shop Vac. Always ensure the vacuum is unplugged before removing the filter. Detach the filter from the vacuum according to the instructions. You can tap off loose dust. Take the filter outside and gently tap it against a solid surface or knock off loose debris. And wear a mask to avoid breathing in dust. And rinse with water. Use a garden hose or a faucet to rinse the filter from the inside out to push debris away from the pleats. Avoid the high pressure sprayers as they can damage the filter media. And using soap is optional. Usually I don't, but if the filter is greasy and has a stubborn dirt, mix a bit of mild dish soap in a bucket and gently switch the filter around or scrub lightly with a soft brush and rinse it. Ensure all soap and debris are rinsed out completely. And air dry completely before using it. Let the filter dry for 24 to 48 hours. Place it in sunny or well-ventilated areas, and never reinstall a wet filter because it can, damage your Shop Vac or create mold. Some filters are not designed to be washed, and if yours is a paper filter, often pleated, make sure it's marked as washable. And don't use heat. Never use a dryer or a heater to speed up drying. It could warp or damage the filter. And that's about it. Pretty simple, but you can reuse your filter over and over because some of them are not that cheap. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. cleaning the filter